really miss
I
them talaga.
really miss ko ang pamilya ko. Like when I
If
say...
you had one chance to talk to one of them, sino? Gusto mong tatawagan?
Siguro tatawagan ko ang... between my sister and my brother.
Ooh.
Tatawagan ko... Siguro my brother. Kasi I'm more of like a mentor to him. Kasi he listens to me most out of anyone.
Baliktad.
I can like really... I can reach him.
But yung sister mo...
Pero when it comes to academics, like I mean,
Okay.
ikaw na lang.
Really?
Well, hindi naman. He's just super duper smart.
Genius.
Like super smart. Well, actually, my sister's super duper
Pero
smart.
matalino ang pamilya mo.
Yeah, they're all really smart.
Mm-hmm.
My sister's also a mentor to me. Pero
Baliktad. Diba? You said you're more of a mentor for your brother.
Mm-hmm.
And your sister is what?
A mentor to me.
Yeah.
And my brother.
And your brother?
Yeah. Pero kasi meron siyang asawa.
Ilan taon siya?
She's 25.
Okay. And
Or no, she's 26 na.
asawa? Yeah.
He's 28.
Okay. At merong...
Anak?
Yeah.
Wala.
Wala pa?
Kumasal sila last year lang.
Oh. Planning?
Siguro in 2 years.
Really?
Baka kasi
Stabilize
she
mo
wants... Well, actually, yung financial planner nila, sinabi that they can have a kid if they want.
They have a financial planner?
My sister, okay, she taught...
I was like, wait.
Planner? Tinuro niya ako mag-ipon ng pera sa RESP when I was like 15. The moment I turned 18, I started an RRSP and a rolling GIC.
I'm sorry for being... But I have no idea what you're talking about. What is an RESP?
Registered Education Savings Plan. And then RRSP...
RSP and RESP?
RRSP. Para... Kasi,
It's like a 401k plan? Do you know what that is?
No.
Oh, okay.
Hindi.
Parang ganun din,
Sa
but it's
States?
for yeah. It's a stage.
Hindi ko familiar.
Wow.
It was literally
At the age
within a
of...
week. I started an
you
RRSP
kidding me?
account.
Wow.
Kasi sinabi niya sa akin when I buy a house. Pero ngayon, it's when I buy a car.
Mm-hmm.
So, parang baliktad.
Baliktad.
Pero it's okay kasi she also said, sinabi niya pa rin sa akin, the moment you drive out of the dealership, you lose 30%
of its value.
So, whatever. I don't need a car.
Mm-hmm. I think you're probably the only person that has ever had a house before a car. In the world. No, just kidding. That's really different, though. Not many people have it that way.
My sister. My sister gave me a book. It was Smart Women Finish Rich. Pero hindi ko binasa. Iniwan ko sa Canada. Nakalimutan ko. She gives me all my books.
She's your inspiration.
She's my hero.
Okay.
She's
your hero. If you had a hero,
we had a hero project sa eskwela. She was my hero.
Talaga?
Yeah, that was part of my speech sa kasal niya. I started bawling like a baby. My hero.
Oh, wow.
And when I was, how old was I? Like 14, we had to have a hero project. Like, who's your hero? So people chose like,
My dad. Oh, like that?
No one chose their own family members as the only one. So,
Sabi ko sa'yo, sobrang swerte ka.
I don't know. I hope they don't feel if yung kasi parati kong